I just wanted to do this video after the fact. I already got started on this deal. This truck had a no crank, no start. So we start by checking everything. Ran it down. I'll make this short and sweet video. Ran it down, ended up being a loose battery cable. Or I mean a loose cable on the starter. It had a lock washer on it, so it probably never was tightened all the way down. At some point it's had a starter change. But I wanted to go over something with everybody. I worked for General Motors for 10 years and I've run this a lot. This design, anybody who worked on your own vehicles, you know, a side post battery terminal sucks. They finally got away from it. GM doesn't use it anymore, but my gosh, they used it for years when I worked for them, and every mechanic was like, why? They're horrible. They're easy for customers to strip out. It's a 5/16 nut. You can't get in there. There's no freaking room, so all you have is a wrench. So, you know, people that... Anyway, long story short, these always got stripped out. They always got chewed up because somebody used pliers on them. These are so bad, they are literally rounded. So first thing is you gotta get rid of these, man. Put good new ones in. Literally 2 of them, local hardware store or parts store, probably 10 bucks, $6 on Amazon. Super cheap. Keep these in good condition. If you work on a lot of General Motors, keep these in your toolbox, a brand new set. Anyway, because you'll find them screwed up and corroded while you're in there. That promotes a lot of corrosion problems around those battery cables. Anyway, what I wanted to show you, I've got my power probe hooked up here, but we've got the new cables in. Well, comes in, you know, they didn't ask me to do this, but I'm gonna fix it. They had these in behind the cable. Well, let me move my hand where you can see what I'm talking about right there. They had that in behind the red cable. You already got a prone problem here with these side post battery terminals, and then you're going to run this in behind them. That just increases your probability. And let me show you how far it is to get a power source. And people don't know this, they don't see this. This is your UBEC underhood fuse block. It's got this cover. Literally unclips with 2 little, see those 2 holes? You just pull those, pop it off. You do have to take 4 bolts out and take this brace right here. But once you do, if you're adding lights or whatever you're adding, there's some of them have a fuse right here. This one does not, but this is direct off the power, and this is fused over here. You can get power on all these studs. There's another stud over here that you can pull power off of and hide your wires, guys. Don't screw up your battery connection right there. Don't hook anything to these side post battery cables, just your battery cables, and keep them clean and keep them new. You need to hook up an accessory, it's all right there. Easy peasy, and it looks better. There's your hint for today.